best way to have an Agile team follow the definition of done is to embed it into their Scrum workflow. I don't want an issue to be moved to done unless every item of the definition of done checklist is checked off. Jira's Workflow Validator will do just the trick. Let's dive into a demo. So we are on the board view, but we want to go to the project settings where we will find the validator. So we will head to Workflows. Within Workflows, we will go to Edit Workflow. And since we want a visual, we'll go to Diagram. And here we have our workflow. And so if we select the arrow, we will see some options. And here there's validators. Currently we have none, so we're going to add one. Okay, so right here we have the Add Validator button. And we'll be presented a list of validators. The one we want is the connected checklist is completed. We'll click Add. All right, so let's see this in motion. I'm going to hop back to the board. And here we are. So let's select a task that we have. So we have definition of done validator for tasks. And we can see that it's on 88%. It's not quite finished. The validator is supposed to work in a way that it will reject this task from being accepted as done. So let's see if this works. I'm going to drag and drop it in the done swim lane. And here we have in the bottom left screen that this cannot be completed. So the validator has forced us to open the task, look through the checklist. As you can see, 15 out of 17 items have been completed, but we need to complete all items. So if we scroll down to the bottom, we can see these two need to be checked off. Then we complete the checklist. And now if we close this, we can then try to move it again to the done column. You can see 17 out of 17 or 100%. And here we are. The task has been completed and the validator approves that the checklist has been completed for this task.